Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. This is going to be a quick weekend here on Sunday because price action is very slow. We might be dealing with an extension of our triangle that we've been talking about, but we're going to take a look at that in this video. First of all, I hope you have a great weekend. Hope you had a great weekend already. And let's go and take a look at the chart. The situation is largely unchanged. Actually, it is unchanged. But still, it's a quick update. So we still have the situation as presented in previous videos that we rallied off the 10th of March low to the 15th of April high in a leading diagonal. There are a few different ways of dealing with this. Diagonal patterns are always extremely difficult to forecast. When you're in a triangle, it is extremely difficult to label the subwaves because you never exactly know where the top will be. It's just the nature of diagonals. And when you have finished the diagonal, it's not important to label the subwaves anymore, right? Because nobody cares anymore. Everybody's focused on the current price action. So diagonals are always very difficult. The problem is with a diagonal, it could also be a high B wave. You can see this is the alternative, that there is a high B wave and that the sell-off is currently a C wave. And this C wave could take us a little lower than the yellow support area. So we've got in the primary count, which is the leading diagonal, the support area here between 33.3 cents and 38 cents. This needs to hold for us to give us a third wave in the current wave structure with a high likelihood. Doesn't mean below 33.3 cents the current wave count is invalidated, but it will basically face invalidation. It is very likely then that we get the invalidation. The alternative count highlighted in red would take it a little lower, but below 27.6 cents, I have no bullish support left. So we will then be looking for new bear market lows. Here in this smaller degree wave structure, as you can see, we're coming down in this wave 2. We printed our A wave low on the 25th of April. The idea was, and that's what the red resistance zone is for, that we could get a higher B wave. So in a wave 2, we have an A wave down, the B wave to the upside. The red zone represents what the B wave can do. There are not many rules about B waves, and the ones there are highlight that it's obviously a corrective pattern, typically a three-wave structure unless it's a triangle. And the other rule is basically a B wave can do anything. It is extremely difficult. Yeah, B waves are among the most difficult waves to trade because while there is a standard Fibonacci resistance range for a B wave, it is still extremely large. And B waves can be triangles, they can be, they can be zigzag patterns themselves, they can be flat patterns, they can develop into more complex corrections. It is just difficult. So you really don't know when you're in a triangle or when you're in the B wave, what is it exactly going to be. You can track it and try to pin down when the B wave is finished and then trade the C wave, for example. But just the warning here that it's difficult. Therefore, I have avoided to label the subwaves here on the ADA chart. Obviously, we can still get a high B wave, or we deal here with an extended Elliott wave triangle in the B wave. This is certainly not unlikely. A triangle pattern consists of 5 waves A, B, C, D, E. What is possible is something like that. That we get here an Elliott wave triangle in A, B, C, D, E and would then break down. But this is really only one valid interpretation. The idea is that to the opposite side of the B wave, we would break out and then come down in a C wave. And the ideal scenario would be to hold the 33.3 cent level. If it becomes, let's say evident that we may break below that 78.6 retracement there, then I will give you the next support levels. But for now, we are just waiting for a breakout of the triangle, really. Breakout point to the upside is at 41.9 cents. If that happens, we're getting a higher B wave. Breakout point to the downside would be 38 cents. Until then, we are moving in a range. Okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.